Hi guys, welcome back to Explore with Osanda. So this is the second part of the Nuwara Eliya series. So if you hadn't watched the last video, watch it and come back to this one. So this video, we came to Mlesna tea castle, the world's largest tea house. So let's go in and see what we have to see. So there's a pretty cool entrance around here. Okay, we arrived to the top of the tea castle. So there's a statue of James Tailor here. So they say if we go over there, we can see the Waterfall. So let's see. Don't know if it's the upper part, but let's see. So here you can actually also get some tea, enjoy yourself. Yeah, there's the Waterfall right over there. Now we were somewhere around there. We came 550 meters to the Mlesna tea castle. So let's go inside and see what we got. Okay guys, now we're gonna go up to the view to see a better view of the Waterfalls and the surrounding area. So let's go and see. So there's a wide selection of tea that you can select, and you can also select some cakes, either butter cake or chocolate cake. So yeah, until they make the cake, we are going to go up. Okay guys, now we're going to go up. So yeah, we're making our way up. So it's something like a spiral medieval staircase. So we just gotta go up, and yeah, let's see how the view goes. So yeah, now we are making it up to the final steps. Let's check it out. Oh, you can climb up here. Now let's go here. There's a space for us to walk. Now you just gotta get through here. There's the Waterfalls over there. There's tea plantations all around here. It's pretty cool. Okay guys, we just came to the down part of the Mlesna tea factory, the tea castle, the tea shop, whatever you call it. Right here there's a weighing mechanism that they, I think, okay, it's an aerial electronic scales. Don't really know what it is. So that guy that statue was, he's James Tailor. He's actually the father of Ceylon tea. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. Okay guys, we thought just because we are in the area, why don't we head over to the St. Clair's waterfall? Now check it out, right over here, here it is. It's pretty cool, one of the most famous and most beautiful waterfalls out there. Okay guys, now we are heading out of the Mlesna tea factory. We got some tea right here. So yeah, now we're gonna go to Nuwara Eliya. So that's gonna be the end for this video. So hope you watch the whole series that's gonna be coming up. Hope I'm excited. So yeah, see you guys in the next episode. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe to stay notified. So see you, peace.